Crispy, you're not stealing my Big Mac, babe. You're not gonna hijack my Big Mac.
Trying out catnip tea.
This is why people say don't eat at anyone's house. Because this man has this bare asshole on my cutting board right now. Excuse me, sir.
He tested out his cat's intelligence. Neighbor's cat keeps breaking in.
Anyone else's blinds look like this because of little demon creatures like that who just have to see outside? We were here for one day and you broke the blinds.
She thought she adopted a calm kitten. Caught him by surprise.